In Jacksonville, Florida, there are a lot of different neighborhoods to choose from. One of the ones that is truly unique is Deerwood. It's a golf and country club community, and what sets it apart is not only its convenient location, but also the lot sizes for the homes, and also the homes are truly unique. This is one that's currently on the market and certainly a showstopper. It's a traditional brick ranch. One of the things that I do love about the exterior is the driveway. Plenty of parking space as you see down here. This leads to the garage, so just tons and tons of parking space. And this particular home sits on a cul-de-sac lot, so very quiet. Let's go in and take a look. So you immediately come in and are greeted with these great doors and windows that open onto the backyard. So wonderful foyer here with a powder room off to the side. As we continue, we see this beautiful kitchen, lovely cabinetry, wonderful kitchen island. And again, just look at the views. Water view, lots of lush trees and landscaping, beautiful family room here. And then this room could be an additional living space or used as a dining room as well. Love the beams. And this is a wonderful sitting room here, complete with a fireplace. So this is fireplace number 2. There was another one in the family room. Again, love these big windows. And on this wing of the house, we'll find 2 bedrooms. This is the primary, again, with this great, wonderful view. Just Deerwood is at its best right here. You'll even see some geese across the water. Window box and a beautiful primary bath. And then this way to guest room number 1. We just passed some great storage space as well. So big room. And it has an ensuite as well. And crossing back through the kitchen, just wanted to make sure I highlighted the other fireplace that's in the family room. And again, these great beams. And if we go to this side, we're gonna find a guest ensuite as well as a laundry area. And this house has so much storage. It's absolutely an amazing amount of storage. Great window as well. And an ensuite bath here. Loving the outdoor space of this Deerwood home also. Just great water views, beautiful backyard, nice patio. This is the perfect place to call home.